Ever wonder why some price hikes make you quit buying a product, while others don't change your habits at all? Let's dive in. Elasticity is simply a measure of how much the quantity of something people want changes when the price shifts. Economists use a specific ratio to determine if a good is elastic. If the number is above 1, consumers are very sensitive to price. Several factors drive this behavior, including how easy it is to find a replacement or how essential that item is to your daily life. Think of elastic goods as things you can live without or swap easily, while inelastic goods are items you almost have to purchase. This chart shows how different items react to the same price jump. Notice how gasoline demand stays steady compared to luxury goods. Understanding elasticity helps you see why companies price products the way they do based on how much you value the item. I hope this makes market behavior a bit clearer. Check back for more finance basics explained simply. See you next time.